up guys, and welcome to another Python 3 basics video. In this video we'll be seeing about statistics, how to perform various statistical operations in Python 3. It includes various methods like finding mean, median, variance, standard deviation, p-variance, etc. and there are more. Today we are going to perform some basic operations in statistics. So for that we have to import the library or module statistics. It's important because all the methods are present within that module. After importing statistics, consider a variable list and give any number of values, or take any count of numbers you want from 1 to 0, 1 to 100, any, and later take a variable x which will store the value of that list when it is being processed. So while doing main, x is equal to statistics dot mean, so we are importing that particular method from the package statistics and printing it at the output. So here is the mean of the given numbers. Now we'll be performing median. So the method for every function of statistic is same. You just have to put like x. You just have to consider a variable statistics, the module name dot mean, median, variance, standard deviation, and the list which we are considering for evaluation in the bracket, and the value of the list is been stored into the variable x, and at last we'll be printing the value of x, and at the time of running we'll get the output in the terminal. So that was median. Now we are considering standard deviation. So change to standard deviation and let's see the output. As you can see, that's the standard deviation for the given list consisting of various numbers. It is not mandatory that you have to only consider integers. You can consider float point, decimals, etc. Now we are seeing for variance. It's not a statistical method, and save and run. Here we are seeing the output. So this is the basic operations of statistics in Python 3. So you can calculate mean, median, variance, standard deviations easily, and that's the output. Important is that you have to import the package, and the package is available by default in Python 3, the latest version of Python. So that's it for it guys, and thanks for watching this video guys.